Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this zoom text effect. First, go to video, then select rectangle, then select the desired color you want. Now, select text and input the desired text. Now change the font. In this example, I'm going to use this Anton. Now, click on share and save. Remember to save this in PNG format. Now download. Now delete this again. Now go to elements, search. For example, I'm going to search for Dubai, then click on the video. Then select set video as background. Go to the elements which you want to upload. Adjust the image as you want, then remove the background. Okay. Now adjust the image. Now I want you to split this image in half so that we can apply the effect. Now adjust the image just as shown in the video. Now keep on adjusting as you want. Here's the main part. You need to select match and move. Boom, here's the final result. Now play the video so that you can get the text effect in Canva. Thank you for watching.